Artificial intelligence. It's no longer a futuristic fantasy, but a reality shaping our world at an unprecedented pace. From healthcare to business, AI is revolutionizing industries. In medicine, AI analyzes vast data sets to personalize treatments, accelerate drug discovery, and even assist in surgeries. In business, AI is streamlining operations. Chatbots handle customer inquiries, AI algorithms personalize recommendations, and automation boosts efficiency. AI is also a powerful tool for scientific advancement. It helps analyze complex data, accelerating research in fields like climate change, medicine, and materials science. And let's not forget transportation. Self-driving vehicles promise to improve road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and revolutionize how we move. AI is even pushing the boundaries of human creativity. AI-powered tools are now composing music, creating stunning visuals, and even writing stories. But this rapid advancement also brings challenges. Job displacement is a major concern as AI automates tasks previously performed by humans. AI systems learn from data, and if that data reflects existing biases, the AI itself can perpetuate and even amplify those biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. The development of autonomous weapon systems raises serious ethical concerns. These weapons could make life or death decisions without human oversight, leading to unpredictable consequences. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about privacy violations and the potential for misuse. To harness the power of AI responsibly, we need a multifaceted approach. This includes developing ethical guidelines, investing in AI safety research, ensuring diversity in AI development teams, and fostering open public dialogue. By addressing these challenges proactively, we can ensure that AI is developed and used for the betterment of humanity. AI is a powerful force shaping our future. It presents both incredible opportunities and significant challenges. By understanding these challenges and working towards responsible AI development, we can guide this transformative technology towards a brighter future for all. What are your thoughts on the future of AI? Share your comments below. Outro music with a hopeful and optimistic tone.